ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We finished Udaharana Vakyas. Now we have to do Sanskrit Banavo. Yes. Can one by one, please, can you do?
राम आ रहा है रामः आगच्छति అని రాయొచ్చా లేకపోతే ఆగచ్చన్ అస్తి అని రాయొచ్చా
Agachan asti.
ఆగచ్చన్ అస్తి ఓకే
Next.
वे दोनों पढ़ रहे हैं तौ द्वौ पठितौ अस्ति. Is that correct?
How it goes? Patat shabda. How it goes? Pullinga?
Patan, pathatau, patatah, right? No, patanti.
What is the dvivachanam?
Patanti is, I thought patantau, but I'm not 100% sure.
Patantau is correct.
Okay.
Patan, patantau, patantaha, patantam, patantau, patataha. First to 5 will get nakara.
Right. Okay. So, tau dvau patantau asti. Stah.
Dvau is not required because tau and patantau both are indicating dvivachanam. So we don't need to mention dvau.
Okay.
Next. Next. Yes.
वे सब लिख रहे हैं ते लिखन्तः
Yes. Kriyapada?
ते लिखन्तः.
Kriyapada is what? Likhantaha is correct. What is the Kriyapada?
Kriyapada is लिख रहे हैं. लिख रहे is the Kriyapada. Their writing is the likha. This one.
Yeah, this Shatru and Shanas pratyas are not complete verb. Incomplete verb.
Okay, so it is likhan.
Likhantaha santi. Astat. We can use asdhatu. Asdhatu bahuvachanam santi.
Likhantaha santi. Okay.
Next.
तू हंस रहा है त्वम हसन अस्ति.
Asti is which purusha?
Oh, this is madhyama purusha. So asi.
Yes. Next.
सब हंस रहे हो. यूयम हसन्ति.
Where, which one you are reading?
Fifth one, amma.
What is the fifth one? Fifth one? Okay, your reading is something else. Okay, you read.
ऐसा. तुम सब हंस रहे हो.
हंस रहे. हाँ.
हंस रहे हो.
हाँ.
यूयम
हाँ.
हसन्ति. हसन्ति असि.
What is the bahuvachanam form?
Sta.
Bahuvachana form.
हसन्ति अम्मा.
पठन् पठन्तौ पठन्तः. बहुवचनं पठन्तः means हसन्तः.
हसन्तः स्ता अम्मा.
यूयं. यूयं. What should come?
स्ताम्. असि स्तः स्ता कदम्मा.
Can you read once again in the sentence?
तुम सब हंस रहे हो.
This is questioning actually. I don't know exactly. When I translated it, there was a questioning. You all are laughing like that. It is a question. So syata will come. Lang lakara, lot lakara syata will come.
Okay.
Next.
तुम सब बैठ रहे हो.
Bite place they have given has rahe ho.
यूयं तिष्ठन्तः स्तः. स्यात्.
I was telling that this vakya is like questioning rahe ho. It's I got the translation as question. So if we are using questioning it, it's a lot lakara syata.
स्यात्.
Next.
Which one, Amanda?
Sixth one.
मैं देख रहा हूँ. अहम अहम पश्यन्तम.
Aham is there. Why pashyantam? Pashyantam is which vibhakti?
Aham, that is pashyata.
What is the drush dhatu? How to decline drush dhatu?
Drish dhatu. Okay.
In shatru pratyaya.
Drish dhatu in shatru pratyaya.
Anybody?
Aham pashyanti asmi.
Aham pashyan asmi. Pashyan, pashyantau, pashyantah. Is that correct?
Yes.
I chose the feminine because I am a female. Pashyanti asmi.
Okay. Yes. Next. Understood, Shivananji?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Is it Anusha ji's turn or my turn?
Let's say. हम सब खेल रहे हैं. वयं क्रीडन्तः स्मः.
Yes, next.
रमा आ रही है. रमा आगच्छन्ति. Should we take asti? Yeah.
Yes.
Rama agachanti asti.
Next one.
प्रभा गा रही है. प्रभा गायन्ती अस्ति.
Yes. Next.
पत्ता गिर रहा है. पत्रं पतितवन्तम् अस्ति. पतितवन्तं.
Pitavantam is which vibhakti?
That is second vibhakti. So dvitiya. So patitavantam
Patitavantam is which pratyaya?
Patitavat. No, sorry. That is matu pratyaya, right? Patitaha asti.
Patram is which?
Napumsaka patitam.
Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga Shatru pratyaya form is what?
पत्तवत्.
पतत्.
Patat.
Yeah.
Vatu pratyaya. Patat.
Patat. Patram patat asti.
Okay. Patan.
Patan is Pullinga. Patanti is Strilinga. Patat is Napumsakalinga.
Okay. Patat asti. Thank you.
Next.
राम सोच रहा था. रामः चेतन अस्ति. This is to think. Chetat. This will come. Shatru. Chetan.
Chetan. What is the Pratipadika?
Chetat.
Where is that? Is there such form? Dhatu is what?
Is there?
Where?
Chetat is there. To think. To think.
Chetat is there.
Chetat.
What is the dhatu for that?
Chetat.
Dhatu is chetat.
Chetat. Yes, yes. Chit plus Shatru. Chetat is there.
Chit dhatu, sangnani. Okay.
Chit, sorry. Chit.
Okay. So another dhatu is chint dhatu.
Chint, yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Which one is that? 11th one. Can you repeat the vakya again?
Ramah Chetan asti.
Is it present tense? Is it present tense or past tense?
Past tense.
Past tense. Which form should come there? Kriya pada.
Sta.
Past tense.
Past tense achet, something like that. Shatru.
Ramaha Chintam is over. Kriya Pada we have to see. What is the Kriya Pada? Us is the Kriya Pada. For us, what is the Langlakara form? Asit.
Asit.
Next.
Poonaji, for 11th one, can we also write Ramaha Chintayan Asit?
Not Chintayan, Chintam.
Chintam. Okay.
If we say Chintayan, then it will become Nich Pratyaya.
Okay.
Next.
అంటే చింతన్ కూడా రాయద్దు.
Mm.
చింతన్
Mm.
కరెక్టే.
Chintan, yes. Next.
कृष्ण पूछ रहा था. कृष्णः पृच्छन् आसीत्.
Yes. Next.
वे सब जल पी रहे थे. ते जलं पिबन्ति स्म. सन्ति आस्यम्. सन्ति अम्मा.
How many Kriya Padas you will put there?
Sorry, ते जलं पिबन्ति सन्ति.
Te is which?
बहुवचनं.
Bahuvachanam. What is the Bahuvachana form? Shatru Pratyaya form?
ते अम्मा.
Shatru Pratyaya form enti Bahuvachanamlo? ఇక్కడ శత్రు ప్రత్యయ ఫామ్ ఏమొచ్చింది వాక్యంలో?
पी रहे थे अम्मा. पिबन्ति అన్నానమ్మా.
పిబన్. ఆ పిబ ధాతుకి శత్రు ప్రత్యయ ఫామ్ బహువచనంలో ఏం రావాలి?
పిబంతి బహువచనం కాదమ్మా.
What was the what was the vakya you have done just before this? Not before this, before first vakya. In this class, first vakya, what you have done?
शिव आ रहा है अम्मा. शिवः आगच्छन्ति అని పెట్టాను.
Okay, what is the second, the other one?
वे दोनों पढ़ रहा है.
No. No, you what? Which vakya you have done? तुम सब हंस रहे हो, right? There, the Shatru Pratyaya form is Bahuvachana form or Ekavachana form or Dvivachana form?
బహువచనం అమ్మా.
What you have written? Bahuvachana form?
హసంతి అన్నానమ్మా.
So you haven't corrected it. What did I say? Have you corrected it or not?
అమ్మా లేదమ్మా, చేయలేదమ్మా.
I said it is not hasanti, hasantaha. Bahuvachana form. Pathan, pathantau, pathantaha. Same here also. Which form you should come?
పిబంతః
Pibantaha.
సంతి.
Pibantaha, past tense, asan. Next.
Tvam pushpam jighran asihi.
Which one?
14th one.
Okay. Here something is there. Okay. You are saying in Sanskrit. I am reading in Hindi. So sorry. From Jigran Asihi. Yes, correct. Next one.
So should I do the from in the book? It is tu phool soong raha hai.
Huh.
Raha. It is
That
Raha, sorry.
it has done. No, Aparna ji
Okay.
has done. She did not read it in Hindi. Direct she said in
Okay.
Sanskrit.
Okay.
Yes.
मैं काम कर रहा था. अहम कार्यम करो. What would be
What
kritam?
is the Krotam is which pratyaya?
No, that is that's tumun pratyaya.
Not Tumun pratyaya, Ta pratyaya.
Ta pratyaya, sorry. Yeah.
Akalinga.
But we need Shaktra.
See,
Kurva.
all Ekavachanams are similar. Pashyan. Who
Right.
is if it is
Kurvan.
Kurvan?
Okay.
At the end, Nakara will come.
Aham kurvan asi. It will be past tense right here. So asit. No, asam. Aham. So asam. Aham kurvan asam.
Can somebody just read out the first 9 answers for Sanskritam Banao? I just wanted to correct what was.
रामः आगच्छन् अस्ति.
Thank you. Next.
तौ पठन्तौ स्तः. ते लिखन्तः सन्ति.
Tvam hasan asi.
त्वं हसन् असि.
Yuyam hasantah sta. Aham pashyam asmi. Vayam.
Fifth one is यूयं तिष्ठतः स्यात्.
Oh, tishtata.
Okay, you were is different. असन्तः स्यात्.
What was it for the 5th one? You said?
यूयं हसन् is there your book.
Yeah, asantah.
यूयं असन्तः स्यात्. It is
Syat.
questioning.
Is it Syat or Syata? I heard Syata. Is it?
Okay, स्यात्.
Okay. Aham pashyam asmi.
Yes.
Vayam क्रीडतः स्मः.
क्रीडन्तः
स्मः. रमा आगच्छन्ती अस्ति. प्रभा गायन्ती अस्ति.
Okay.
Yeah, from Patram Patrat अस्ति. Thank you, Vijiji.
What was the last one you said? Prabha? What did Prabha do?
Prabha gayanti asti.
Why is it Gayanti and not? Oh, so because it's singular, Gayanti.
Yeah,
Okay.
Dirgha.
Yes,
Yes,
Gayanti.
yeah, that's
All right.
okay.
So next one is 10 is Patram Patat Asti. Then Ramaha Chintitaha Asit, right?
That we
Chintan.
Chintan Asit.
Chintan Asit.
Chintan Asit, not Chintitaha. Chintan Asit. Okay.
Next
The
one.
next.
Krishna. We finished this, right? Krishna Prichan
Pichan.
Asit.
mm,
Te jalam pibantaha asan. Tvam pushpam jighran asihi. Aham karyam kurvan asam. Vayam hasantaha.
No, next somebody has to do.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it. Go ahead.
This
But
was
say it
already,
with the Hindi would be better for us.
no. This was already finished. I was just,
No, the Karyam was the last one that we were doing, I think.
no, we finished Vayam
Amma,
hasantaha as asma. We finished till there, 16.
I have one doubt. मैं काम कर रहा था कि దానికి ఆసీతర ఆసం
Asma. Asma.
ఆసం
Awesome
Awesome.
because it is past tense, that's all.
ఆసం ఇస్
అది అయిపోయింది
Asam.
కదా అందుకోసం అది అయిపోయింది కార్యం అయిపోయింది అందుకోసం 17th if somebody could tell. लिखते हुए बालक को देखो.
is it Likhantam Balakam Pashya?
Yeah, that's what I think so. Yeah.
लिखंतम और लिखंती
Likhantam.
Because Pullinga, Balaka, Pullinga.
18th is काम करते हुए मैंने एक सुंदर फल पाया. कार्यं कुर्वता मया एकं सुंदरं फलं लब्धम्. I don't know what yeah.
కుర్వన్ యూజ్
Yeah.
చేయకూడదండి
ఏంటమ్మా
కుర్వన్ కార్యం కుర్వత అన్నారు కదా కుర్వన్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు
correct करते हुए yeah kurvan maybe
Karyam Kurvan.
kurvata I have written kurvan I don't know.
If it's Shatra Pratyay, it could be Kurvan.
But I wrote kurvata maya ekam sundaram param labdham. It could be kurvan.
It could be Kurvata because it says Patata Maya Satpadrishta. So this is which Vibhakti?
Lot lakara.
No,
Maya.
no note. This continuous.
So it's Paya, right? So I'm thinking, how will
అమ్మ పాయాకి ప్రాప్తం రాయచ్చా
Praptam raju. Labdham raj.
if you take Labdham, does it have Chaturthi like Dadati? No, right? Or does it?
There's no Chaturthi, it is past.
Kriya
Right?
par.
This is Kriya Pada, so past tense, Lang Lakara.
No, not the Kriya Padam part.
Paya, then Paya is Kriya Pada, right?
Labdham. So it could be
Not for
karyam
the-
kurvan maya. Is that what is the doubt now? Karyam kurvan maya.
No. The doubt is Maya. If it is Maya, then the Kurvan should follow the Maya. That was the point being made, I thought. Right?
So if it is pullinga, then it could be kurvan. If it is strilinga, then it could be kurvata. Or both is kurvan. That I don't-
No. The Kurvata would be if it is
The
Maya.
Kurvata
If
Maya
Maya is
is
correct, it
Tritiya.
will be Kurvata.
Tritiya Vibhakti, so we have to do
Tritiya.
Kurvata Maya. Yes, correct.
Okay.
There's an earlier example, number 12, in previous, Patata Maya, Sarpaha Drishtaha. Similar to that, Kurvata Maya. I was wondering which Vibhakti.
Okay. पढ़ती हुई बालिका को फूल दो.
Patanti Balikam. Patantim Balikam, right? Pushpani. No, this will have Chaturthi, is it?
The Kriya Pada can.
Pushpam.
What did you say, Vijiji?
Pool is ekavachanam. Pushpam.
Pushpam is correct, but do, right? Dadatu or the da
Datta.
dhatu has a Chaturthi. The one
Right.
you're giving to should be Chaturthi, right?
Yes, that is correct.
So then it will be Balikaya. Balikayai, sorry.
बालिका यही. Yes.
Then accordingly the
Pathat-
Pathati will also
Pathantyai.
change.
Yeah, patantyai.
Patantyai Balikayai.
Pushpam dehi.
Balikyai, sorry, right? Balikayai, sorry. Pushpani.
Pushpam.
Pushpam, sorry, not Pushpani.
Pushpam dehi.
Dehi.
हाँ, दौड़ते हुए घोड़े से शिष्य गिरा. धावता अश्वम शिष्यम अपतत. What falling?
Yeah, apatat is Dhavatah ashwat shishyah apatat. I don't know whether it should be shishyah or shishyam.
Dhavata is there.
Dhavatah from right?
From, okay, then from it is Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Panchami.
Okay, Dhavata. Dhavatah
Ashwat.
Dhavatah Ashwat Shishyam Apatat.
Yes. Whether it is shishyam or shishyah, I've written shishyah, but
If the horse is, yeah.
So
Shishyaha, right? Yeah.
this should be Shishyaha in 14th number. Dhawataha Ashwat Naraha Patitaha.
so then it is shishyah only. Okay.
So is it Patitaha or Apatat? Is it past?
Apatat.
Gira. Right.
Gira.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. In the previous one, how did you get Dehi from Da Dhatu? Lot Lakara. Simple lot is not Dehi. Some young Luganta is Dehi.
I thought it was dehi. That's all. I mean,
So Da Dhatu, I am seeing lot lakara. This is madhyama purusha. Yacha, yachatat, yachatad. That's what I'm
Can you
seeing.
share the scene, Umaji, if it is
For
possible?
da dhatu,
Yeah.
this is dane, dana dane. Yeah, okay. Let me share.
Dehi and
Dehi, lot lakar madhyam purusha also Dehi.
Dehi, yeah.
So in Kartari or in some other da dhatu, this is bhavadi gana da dhatu. Is it Parasmay Padam? This one, I'm seeing this. So Dehi, I'm seeing with young Luganta, some other form. Okay, anyway, we can ask that question tomorrow. So next one.
No,
Yes.
Umaji, you have to, maybe you have to look in that Dudhai dhatu, the Juhadigan, Juhotyadi. There it's Dehi for lot lakar. Parasmapadi.
Yes, Amma.
Da Dudhai Dane.
Okay, so that is Juhotyadi. Okay,
Right.
got it. Thanks. How long is the class for? I forgot.
It should,
It should have ended 5 minutes ago.
yeah, we should move
Right.
now. So,
Yeah.
because it's in
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Hari.